Uh-oh! What do you think about that? The delayed reaction there. Kelsey, Grandma got it for you. Go on. You want Grandma do it? Grandma read it?
I don't want too many of these going off close to each other.
You don't want it? You want it?
Is that what you would do?
Come on, Kelsey.
Yes. Oh, really?
Not right close to the other kids.
She doesn't know if she wants it. She doesn't want to do it.
She's gonna hold you.
No.
You don't want to hold it. It's hot.
Scared.
Pretty.
That's good. She got burned. She knows.
Yeah.
One was actually alright, and she got burned.
Madison,
makes
scoot
her
over a little bit, yeah. Look it.
Little
Pretty. Ooh, circle.
Ready?
Yeah, circle.
Yeah.
Go put it in the water.
Put it in the water? Yeah? Come with mommy. See, look at it. And it's hot.
Got a hell of a respect
And
here.
we put it in the water. Okay?
Put it out.
Girl.
It's hot.
Oh, you're freaking smart. Let's just blow up your car.
I'm like, well, how long can I hold this?
All right? Thanks.
It was always driving after it was lit. He had lit it and then the car showed up. This is not my fault.
I'm gonna light one, okay? I'm not lighting
That's
anymore.
mine. I see.
You see how it works?